over here.
I had this all to myself, and then a bug came in.
We have survived 2 nights in 90+ degree weather. We do have some sore feet from walking in the creek there at Johnson Shut-Ins yesterday. We got blisters.
Popped blisters.
Popped blisters. I think every one of our feet hurt. Now we are gonna go try to see Elephant Rocks if our feet can survive. I think we may do it barefoot.
Yes. This is AJ's feet. This is Bentley's.
So the moral of the story is we should have not just packed Chacos. We probably should have wore tennis shoes in the creek, just so they weren't rubbing so much on the rocks and being angles and everything else. But we did have fun, so I think we'll probably do it again.
At Elephant Rocks, huge boulders of pink and reddish granite stand end to end like a train of circus elephants. They even named one of the largest boulders Dumbo. The 7-acre state park is a quarry that has operated since 1869. At one time, it provided architectural granite for buildings all across the country.
This is definitely not what I expected it to be. There's a lot more rock here than I expected, and lots for the kids to play on.
It says stuff over here.
Well, this is not what I expected at all. We pulled in, it's a normal state park. You come in on the trail, super accessible, really cool, looking at all the signs. And the kids took off and they started climbing and climbing. And here we are. How cool is that? Also, you'll notice our children don't have shoes on. We told them they didn't have to wear shoes. Hopefully nobody ends up in the ER.
So, we're at Elephant Rock, and we've been seeing lots of cool things. It's so beautiful here, and it looks like people drilled holes up in the rocks just so that they can, well, we don't know what they can do, so let's keep going. What are we doing? We are on the Elephant Rocks. We're just walking through and everything. Dude, you're sweaty. Yeah, I know.
Put all the information below. We will see you on the next adventure. You know what that?
No, that's fine.
We will see you.
How does it feel to have somebody making faces behind a camera?
We will see you on the next adventure.